Can a simple challenge boost your savings in just a few weeks? Imagine turning tiny daily actions into real money sitting in your account, all without feeling stressed or cutting out your favorite treats. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how a 30-day money-saving challenge can change the way you think about money and maybe even your life. If you're like most people, saving money feels, well, hard. You plan, you try, and somehow by the end of the month, your savings goal is still nowhere in sight. But here's the thing. Saving doesn't have to be painful or complicated. In fact, it can be fun. And yes, I mean genuinely fun. That's what this 30-day money-saving challenge is all about. We're going to take small, daily steps, little by little, and at the end of the month, you'll see how even tiny amounts can grow into something meaningful. And trust me, the results will surprise you. Here's the concept. Each day for 30 days, you'll save a small, manageable amount of money. No complicated spreadsheets, no fancy apps required. You can use simple envelopes, a jar, or if you prefer, a mobile app like Digit or YNAB. The idea is simple. Consistency beats intensity. Saving $1 every day might not seem like much, but when you stick to it for 30 days, you'll start seeing real growth. And psychologically, that little win every day builds momentum. You feel good, motivated, and more in control of your finances. Most people think you need big, radical changes to see results. That's a trap. The truth? Small habits, repeated consistently, compound over time. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them a little each day, and eventually you have a flourishing garden. For example, let's say you start with saving $2 on the first day, then $2.50 the next day, gradually increasing by small increments. By day 30, you're consistently putting aside money without feeling the pinch. The total? Depending on your increments, it could be anywhere from $200 to $400 or more. And that's just 1 month. Do this for a few months, and you've got real, tangible savings. Tracking your progress is key. It keeps you accountable and makes the experience satisfying. If you like tangible methods, grab envelopes labeled by day. Drop in the cash every day and watch the stack grow. If you prefer tech, mobile apps make this even easier. You can set automatic transfers, reminders, and even see charts showing your growth. Watching the balance go up, even slowly, creates a psychological reward that keeps you motivated. And here's a little tip. Celebrate small milestones. Hit day 10, treat yourself to a coffee or a small reward. These micro rewards keep the habit sticky and enjoyable. Now picture this. You've completed your 30-day challenge. You open your envelope or check your app, and you see a sum you didn't think you could reach in just 1 month. That feeling, the surprise, the pride is powerful. It's not just the money, it's the mindset shift. You start believing you can manage your finances, that you can build wealth, and that the little things you do every day actually matter. And here's the kicker. This isn't just a one-off experiment. Once you see results, you're likely to keep going. You might challenge yourself to save a bit more each month, start investing, or finally tackle that financial goal you've been postponing. So, here's what I want you to do. Start today. Pick your method, envelope, jar, or app. Decide on your starting amount. Commit for 30 days and watch your savings grow. And when you do, share your journey in the comments. I want to hear how much you saved, what worked, and what you learned. Hit follow for more smart saving hacks, money mindset tips, and real strategies to build wealth fast. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about taking consistent action, one small step at a time. And in just a month, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with friends who could use a boost in their savings. Let's turn everyday habits into lasting wealth. Save